Is this the end for software subscriptions? In a recent earnings call, the CEO of Klarna has talked about how they're going to get rid of Salesforce and Workday, basically stripping out their CRM and their accounting systems from their company and replacing them with AI. I know a lot of companies who have Salesforce and don't really enjoy using it, so they'll be watching to see how Klarna does. Generally, these types of softwares, things like Salesforce, things like Workday, they become so embedded within your organization, it's really hard to get rid of them. You're kind of stuck and held at ransom. All of your company's data is sitting in these systems, and moving to another system is extremely expensive and time consuming. And Klarna's not a small company, they have about 4,000 employees and 85 million customers. So shifting all of this over and bringing AI systems in its place is a big job. I think Nick has it right here though. Basically, what all of these large SaaS providers do is they provide a repository for your data and they allow you to link it to various different functions. It becomes almost like a centralized nervous system for your company. So normally ripping that out is impossible. What Nick is talking about here, though, is we can use AI to very quickly create integrations using AI. So we can get all of our pieces of software, all of our processes to talk together without having to use a large centralized system like Salesforce. We can just create the links between our different tools on the fly. Now, lots of companies do this anyway. They create custom integrations, but up until now, it's been incredibly expensive to do so. But now with AI-generated code, we can do it really quickly and it doesn't require as much technical ability. What's really exciting here is that it is prosumer. This allows consumers to customize their workflows and to not be beholden to a gigantic company like Salesforce. Anderson Horowitz actually predicted this in a paper recently, and it looks like it's happening already. So a lot of people are going to be watching to see how Klarna does and then eyeing up their own expensive SaaS subscriptions.